Alrighty, so let's go to Home Depot and the door is broken, which means... Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to another new video. If you are new, hi, my name is David, and today we're gonna go plant shopping to Home Depot and see what they have in stock, because last time we were there, they had such an amazing selection. They had a new shipment and they had so many cool plants. Black ZZs, philodendron Birkins, this other really cool plant called the Houseplants, and a lot of other like neon pothos hanging baskets, strawberry begonia hanging baskets. And I was like so surprised because this location doesn't really have a lot of good plants, and that time they did. And it's been, I think, already a week. I posted the video like 4 days ago, I believe so, but I didn't like posted it as soon as I filmed it. So it's been a week since I've been over there, and I want to see what they have in stock. And if you're new, come on, baby girl. Okay, if you're new, hi. If you like to subscribe, you do a lot of plant shopping on this channel. Today I'm also getting the greenhouse. I am so excited, like I cannot wait. My neighbor's looking at me. I don't know why I always get stared at, but this was a very long intro. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, if you would like to see more videos like this, give it a big thumbs up and let's go plant shopping.
Christmas Day.
I just finished coming from plant shopping, and honestly, majority of the plants they're half and half inside, and the one that I ended up showing you guys were outside, and they don't look that good. I mean, it is pretty cold now, so I'm guessing they got a little bit of, like, you know, damage, and other plants look a little bit thirsty, better thirsty than like overwatered. But yeah, the reason why I didn't show it inside is because one, there was a lot of people and social anxiety, and then number two, ooh, FedEx. That's where my package is coming, my greenhouse. And yeah, and like I said, it was basically the same stuff from that other video. He did not put a single light. Don't you hate when people don't put their single light? Like, that is so annoying. Basically the same plants that they had, but they had more, and they were a lot more nicer, the ones that were inside, because, you know, they're like in a good, like, warm environment. I didn't show you guys the philodendrons and the ant plant, but I really, like, obsessed with it, like, on the other video, and I want to, like, do it again. And I mean, I would have showed you. I would have loved to, but again, there was a lot of people, and I didn't want to film. There's a lot of people, so I ended up going outside. But hope you guys enjoyed. But if you would like to see those plants, the one that I was talking about, you can go to the plant shopping video that I did in this same location like a week ago, when they were just getting or coming from the new shipments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more plant shopping videos better than this one, and subscribe if you'd like to, you know, watch more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next plant shopping video. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and bye.